Thank you for trusting Budgeto for your financial forecast and budgeted needs. This is where success finds you. Let's do an example of exporting and printing our budget reports as a PDF or Excel file. First step is to log into your Budgeto account. To begin, you can find your budget in your reports menu here. You can choose up to 5 different types of reports, like your profit and loss, your cash flow, balance sheet, ratios, cost and funding. Play around with the level of detail and even enter a form by directly clicking on the blue hyperlink found here. Once you're ready to print your report, navigate to the Export menu here. Click on the blue button Add a Report. You can add up to 5 different types of report in Budgeto. You can select multiple budget types to be printed out. For example, if you have pessimistic, optimistic, realistic, etc. However, the Unlimited Scenarios option must be included in your subscription plan to use this function. Next, you can choose your different start and end dates, and you can even add historical data to your exported report as well. If you use QuickBooks Online or Xero, then you can include all your historical information in just a few clicks. Check out our knowledge base, found here, for more information about importing historical data into Budgeto. Choose if you want your report to be in a yearly or monthly view. Note, if you export your report as a monthly view, then it might take a little bit longer to download since it's pulling a large amount of data. Finally, select your detail level. I recommend full as you'll get the maximum amount of information in your exported reports. Finally, choose whether you want your report to be downloaded as an Excel file or a PDF file. Here's a quick example showing both formats. Bonus tip, you can download and print Budgeto's forms and graphs by clicking on the printing icon found here. This icon can also be found in multiple menus as well as the analysis feature in Budgeto. Use this to include visual graphs in your budget and business plan. Be sure to check out our knowledge base here for more information on how to export your budgets using Budgeto. Thank you again for using Budgeto. We are excited to be part of your budgeting journey.